Okay, class, in our last session, we were talking about the evolution of reptiles, and now we're going to go through a brief description of the representative reptile orders and some of the animals in them. As you know, there's a number of different orders of reptiles. The four main ones are the Rhynchocephalia, shown in A here. That is a tuatara, and it's a very ancient line of reptile. It's probably directly related to the very earliest ancestors of tetrapods that later became reptiles. The second one here, B, is a chameleon. A chameleon is an animal that's found in tropical areas, usually in the jungles. As you know, it can sometimes have the ability to change its color, although not as completely as people have said in folk legend. Both the chameleon and the snake over here in the lower left-hand corner are in the order Squamata. The third one, the third order to speak of, is the Testudines. Testudines are the ones that is the order that includes turtles and tortoises, as represented by this Galapagos tortoise here. And then finally, the Crocodilians. This order includes all the alligators and crocodiles, including the saltwater crocodile, which is the largest crocodilian in the world. All right, reptiles can actually come in a number of different sizes. The smallest lizards are probably about 1/3 of an inch long, and they're probably about the size of this dwarf gecko here that's been sitting on a dime. They can be all the way up to the size of this juvenile saltwater crocodile, although not as big as the one in the previous picture. Clearly, it's large enough to actually have a foolish human sitting on its back. Okay, in the class Reptilia, there are 4 different orders. The Testudines, which includes the turtles and the tortoises, the Crocodilia, which includes the crocodiles, the gavials, caimans, and alligators, the Squamata, which is lizards and snakes, and the Rhynchocephalia, which has the tuatara. Of these 4 orders, the one that has the largest number of species and broadest distribution are the Squamata, the lizards and the snakes.